انڈپینڈنٹ اردو USA پلیٹ فارم سے میں ہوں مدیحہ مسعود. آج میں آپ کی ملاقات کروانے جا رہی ہوں فرسٹ مسلم اسسٹنٹ پولیس چیف یاسر بشیر سے، جو 3rd گریڈ میں پاکستان سے امریکہ تو آئے اور اپنی انتھک محنت سے اس مقام کو حاصل کیا. فیوچر پلانز کیا ہیں اور کیا چیلنجز ہیں اس پروفیشن کے، آئیے ڈسکس کرتے ہیں یاسر بشیر سے.
What makes me cry out of joy is when I watch Bollywood movies. All those police officers, they're jumping cars and stopping bullets with their mouth and all these other things that goes on. What doesn't happen? So those are things that make me cry when I can't stop laughing. Well, first of all, I have a lot of responsibilities. Currently, I'm over 6 divisions. 5 of them are patrol divisions, and 1 is our mental health division. Currently, I'm responsible for pretty much the entire southwest part of Houston, which has over 1 million residents. Our officer responds to calls for service, any type of emergencies such as active shooter or homicide, so they're the first one responding there. My other responsibilities are attending community meetings, looking at different strategies, how we can make the city safer, and also mentor and coach our commanders, lieutenants, and officers as well. Well, my journey has been still on. It's been 22 years. The first 4 years, I can tell you, were a lot of fun. Those first few years as being an officer was very exciting. I was young, I was single, responding to all different type of emergencies. Very exciting, working at nighttime, going after bad guys, and get to vehicle pursuits, foot chases, all of that. Let me tell you my journey. I didn't want to be a police officer either. But what kept me on was this sense of duty of caring for the people who at times they have nobody else except the law enforcement officers. Oh, my dad, my mom, they're Masha'al, they're awesome. They have been my biggest supporter from day one. And I remember, like yesterday, when I was in the police academy, I would pray every day. I would say, God, do not let me fail, especially being a cadet, because I can handle it, but it's kind of like disappointing for the parents, just for the people would say. I remember my dad was very proud. He would tell all his friends, my son is a police officer. My parents, they play a strong role in my life. But unfortunately, my dad passed away in 2012. He was not able to see this progress in my career, but I always keep him in my thoughts and prayers. The officers, we go through a lot. We see a lot of death. We experienced a lot of trauma throughout the years. At the same time, we are expected to be tough and strong, but we are human beings. We have our soft spots as well. So what makes me cry is this has happened in my life, in my careers, is when I have good friends, officers who commit suicide. And I would tell our youth, if you want something exciting, where you can go home every day and feel good about yourself, this is definitely the profession you want to be in.